welcome back to another video with your girl Queen Nisha. On this day, obviously it's day, so yeah, thank you for watching this video today. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, turn your post notification, know when I'm posting. Make sure you go ahead and like this video as well. Also, if you make it to the end, make sure you go ahead and comment below as well. Alright, so let's get this on a roll. Y'all, today this video is about my face and how nice and clean my face is and how nice and glowy it is. I mean, it's the sun's out and the sun is directly on my face, but it's not the sun like the title says. Wait, I say title. Like the title says, this is my Vaseline for 7-day challenge. I just wanted to do it. I made up this challenge, so I did it. So I got the Vaseline. I used this Vaseline for a week on my face, and obviously this is how it came out. Unfortunately, when I started this, I forgot to record my face, but I do think I take pictures, so I'm not gonna give you a hope so, because I'm not too sure if I took a picture the day when I started. So I know I took pictures in between of how my face was, so we're gonna do pictures in between. If there is a picture from when I started it, then we're gonna do it. So we're gonna go into the video from day 1 to today and see how my face actually turns out, because I feel like my face really did good. Let's get into this video. So this is day 2, but this is the only picture that I have, so this is gonna have to do.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, eh? It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all.
Okay, so hi guys, I am here with an update. This is day 4. Currently the sun is blocking my view, but don't worry about it. I just want to show you all this. That is literally a bump that I had from I started this journey till now. It was disappearing, but right now it's red because I scratched it, and it's somewhat coming back, if you could tell. And it's not coming back, it's going, but it's still red because I keep scratching it. But other than that, my face is very smooth. There is no new bumps that I have on my face since I started using it for the past 4 days. So yeah.
Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go.
this point, I got bored looking at myself, so I started doing the savage dance.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go.
Hey, so since you guys already watched the full thing, let's get back into talking to me. So, as you can see, like, it went from like this, I had a bump there and there when I started, but I don't have a bump there. I just have a scar right there. Only thing I realized is because when I woke up this morning, I had a little thingy there, but that was just because I wore makeup the other day, and whenever I wear makeup, I tend to get little bumps. So, yeah, but overall, I think the Vaseline did good. My skin's very clean. Whenever I use the Vaseline, my face literally glows afterwards. I could take a bunch of selfies afterwards. So yeah. I think I did good, honestly. I'm going to stick to this routine because it helps me until my soap runs out. So my soap that I was using on my face has a daytime and a nighttime. But whenever I record it, I just use the daytime. Because I forget to record the nighttime. My phone is be dead in the nighttime, so I didn't have the time to record in the nighttime. So we just did in the daytime. I'm going to stick to this because it helps my face good. It's very clear now. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy this little new skincare routine that I'm going to stick to. Okay? I'm sticking to it. Hope you did enjoy that. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and that like button. Make sure you comment down below as well what you think and how you think my face turned out since 7 days ago till now. Okay? Stay inside and be safe, guys.
She got that jump, jumping on. She got that jump, jumping on.